How to add own songs in Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add your own songs in your Instagram stories, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's say you have a song saved on your phone and then you would like to add that particular song from your phone to your Instagram story. So let us discuss the ways on how we can do this. If I go and open the Instagram application, here I will just tap the plus icon and I'll go to the story tab. If I select a certain photo or video, that you would be able to find it here. Now let's say if I want to add music, I would normally need to tap the music icon here, and then I would be able to browse through the music that Instagram provides me by default. So if there is something music that you're searching for, you can try tapping the search music option to find the music that you like. But in case you don't find the music that you like over here, you have a music downloaded on your phone, you would like to add that music instead of choosing the ones that Instagram has given you. Instagram directly doesn't allow us to do this on our story, but there is still a workaround that we can do. What we have to do is, whether it is a photo or video that you would like to add a music to, we have to edit the video offline aside from Instagram in any of the third-party editing applications, and then add the music inside those apps, render the video or export that video, and then add that video or photo to our story. Now in this case, I'm actually using the help of a popular application known as InShot. You can download the InShot application from your Play Store, also on the iOS App Store. Now you can open the InShot application, give it the permission it requires. So let's say that there is a particular video that I would like to add my custom music to. I will select the video option here, allow the permissions, and I will just select the video on which I would like to add a certain permission, or sorry, a certain music. Once I've done that, I'll just tap the arrow icon. Now the next thing I can do is, first of all, I can simply choose a resolution that fits my Instagram story. So here you can see the canvas icon, tap the canvas icon, and here I'll just select 9:16, which is perfect for Instagram stories and reels, and then I'll just hit the arrow icon. Now if you want to make any changes to this video, that is totally up to you, but I'm directly going to skip on to the part where I can add my music. So here you can see different sort of options over here, such as background, noise, voice effects, and so on. So from here on, first of all, make sure to select your media, and here you'll find the music icon, right? So now you can tap the music icon and then allow the access, and here you can see plus music, so tap on it. And again, by default, InShot will also give you the default music that you can use, but to use the ones from your gallery, you can see the option called imported, or you can go to my music, allow the permission. When you go to my music, your InShot application will show you a list of audio that you have, so simply search for the audio or the music that you have. I normally don't have any audio on my phone aside from call recording, so I'll just select a random one here, and then I'll just tap the use option. Now here you can see the audio as well as the video. I can simply merge this to the part that I prefer here, and I can simply cut this to the other part that I don't want to use at all. Now I can go ahead and then basically export this video, and once I export that video, I can directly add that video to my Instagram story by simply coming back, tapping the plus icon, selecting that video that I just rendered, because that is the only way we can do it. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't allow us to add our own music. We have to edit from a third-party editing app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.